In this video, I'm going to explain what YouTube TV Max is and whether it's a real offering from YouTube TV. As of now, YouTube TV does not have a plan or package called YouTube TV Max. It's possible that some confusion arises from other services, like Philo or Sling TV, which offer upgraded plans with Max in the name, or even YouTube Premium, which is a separate service focused on ad-free YouTube content and offline downloads. YouTube TV's standard plan includes live TV, on-demand content, unlimited cloud DVR storage, and access to over 100 channels for $72.99 per month. If you're looking for additional features, YouTube TV offers optional add-ons like unlimited screens, Sports Plus, or premium movie channels like Showtime and Stars, but none of these are referred to as YouTube TV Max. Always double-check official sources to avoid misinformation about available plans. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped clarify what YouTube TV Max is, or isn't, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.